Now see, this is the question. Calculate mean, variance and standard deviation of the following data. Suppose in the question they ask you to find mean also, then the best way is use shortcut method, right? So in this method, if you recall, first you write the formula. So when you write the formula, you will find that first we need to find A. A means assumed mean, and then H. Okay. So here we will write let the assumed mean. Now before we find assumed mean, we need to find midpoint also. Okay. Assumed mean we can find from xi, but here it's continuous frequency distribution. So first we need to find xi, because assumed mean we can take out from xi only. So how will you find xi? It's midpoint. Xi is a midpoint. So add both the numbers divided by 2. So 40 plus 30. Okay, 70 divided by 2, 35. Middle value you have to write. Okay, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. And from this xi we will assume that this is our mean. Okay, so we will write let a. So see, we can assume mean, we can assume any number, but most of the time we assume the middle number. Okay, number which is in the middle. So let a be 65. Also we will write the value of h. So here the class size is of 10, so h will be 10. At the same time we will find sum of frequencies. So sum of frequencies is 10, 20, 22, 50. All right. So now in the next column we will find yi, right? What is yi? Yi is xi minus a. It is xi minus a upon h. So 35 minus 65, 30 by, so 35 minus 65 is minus 30, minus 30 by 10 is minus 3. 45 minus 65 is minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 2. See, it's a continuous, so we'll get value in continuity. So our next column will be yi square. Okay, so yi square is 9410149. Next column fiyi, and the last column fiyi square. Okay, these are the two last columns. So fiyi, this is our fi and yi. So 3 minus 9 minus 14 minus 12, 0, 8, 6, 6. And fiyi square 27, 28, 12, 0, 8, 12, 18. Okay, we have to find sum of these two. So sum of this number, first add all the negative values, add all the positive values, and then subtract. So you won't make any mistake. So I'm solving first. So we'll get minus 15, and here okay, so these are the values. So now we have to put all the values in the formula, but here we also need to find mean. So first we'll find mean. So mean will be in assumed mean method. Mean is a plus sigma fi yi by sigma fi multiplied by h. This is the formula to find mean by assumed mean method. We'll put all the values. So a is 65 minus, it is coming minus 15 upon, it is 50 multiplied by 10, 65 minus 15 by 50 multiplied. Sometimes what children do, they just subtract this 65 and 15 directly, which is wrong. First we'll simplify this value and then we'll subtract. So 0, 65 minus 3 is 62. So this is our mean. Now we have to find standard deviation and variance. So variance we will find, see, the formula to find standard deviation, h by n root n sigma fi yi square minus sigma fi yi the whole square. So from here we can find, this is variance, sorry, this is standard deviation. So from here we can find variance. To find variance, we'll square, okay, both sides. This is standard deviation and variance means it's a square, okay, it's square of this value, not root, it's simply a bracket. Okay, now we'll put all the values. H square means 10 square by 50 square, n means 50, and this value is coming 50, no, not 50, it's 105 minus this value is coming, this is summation then whole square, right? Please make a correction. Yeah, only here I made a mistake. It's summation then whole square. So minus 15 square. Now simplify. Okay. So now simplify this value. So 1 by 25. Okay, so this is our variance, right? This is our variance 201, and from here we will find standard deviation, sigma, which is equals to root 100 and 201, and which is nearly equals to 14.18. So this is the standard value, standard deviation.